In this video I'm going to show you how to do calculated fields in an Access database. So as you can see on the screen already, I have got a database set up. I've got a query that I've just made where all I've done is I've just put in all the fields that I want to see. So in this database it's just going back to the cars one where we've got all the different cars, whether they need cleaning or not, how much they cost to buy and how much I sold the car for. So what I can do is I can do a calculated field, and what this is it's an expression you put in where every time you press view or press run on a query, it does that expression for you. So that can be most of the time it's things like maths and things like that. So what we're going to do one for is to work out the total profit for each of the cars. So I start off here and I need to write the name of my new field. So I'm going to call it profit, and you put in a colon like that. What you need to do next is use square brackets to talk about what, to sort of say what fields you want to use. So I'm going to do the selling price, so I'll push right in selling price, square brackets, then take away, I'm going to put in there. I need to make sure you spell these right as well, like that. That's that done. Then what I can do is I can click view, and you can see I've got a new field in there that says profit, which has the profit obviously. If you sell something for 20 grand and you bought it for about 18 grand, you can have around £2,000 profit. So you can see that's worked rather well. Now the next thing you might want to do is you might want to do a query. So instead of just working out a profit, you might want to work out how much you spent in total. So I can go to create, query design, I can add in my manufacturer and the purchase price. Now what I might want to do is find out how much it cost me to buy all my Audis. So I put in Audis, and I go to where it says here totals, and then change group by to sum. Now when I run that, you'll see that it's added up how much all the Audis costed me. So it's added up like, I think there's like 3 cars, like 18,000, something like that. It's added those all up and put them in a nice little query for us. Now the next thing I might want to do is I might want to get some sort of summary data. So I'm going to create another query, just like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add manufacturer again, and I'm going to make my own calculated field. So I'm going to click totals again, because I'm going to use that in a moment, and then I'm going to call it the count, and I'm going to count ID. Okay, then I can go here, and I can change this to count. Now when I run it, you see it's telling me I've got 3 Audis, 3 BMWs, 24 Fords, and so on. So it's summarised all that data for me by using count, which is really useful. Now one thing I do want to show you on this one is that when you're trying to get like a sum, so you see when I view that, it tells me some purchasing. Now if I added other things in, like I wanted to see selling price and I wanted to see the model, if I run it, you see it doesn't quite really work out because that's not a sum of all the purchases. It's just telling me information about 3 different cars. So it's really important that if you're trying to get like a sum, like I'm doing a mathematical calculation, that you only want to have the 2 things that you want to look at, so the manufacturer and the purchase price that you actually want to sum up. Hopefully that was helpful and you can do calculated fields in future, and keep watching the rest of the videos if you are struggling with Access.